Hi guys, Chuck_2796 here, and this is the third unboxing of the day. We've also got the fourth one sat within arm's reach. It was really realistic, well, a bit out of arm's reach, but we've got the fourth one as well. So we're going to crack on with this. So this came around about 11:45. The camera died, so we had to charge the battery just a little bit to hopefully get us through these two videos. So this it's from DHL, and this is tech. The next two are both tech. So the packaging is DHL packaging, so it's not really much to get excited about. So I'm just going to crack on into this. I've been waiting for these. I ordered this. Let's just get rid of all of that. I ordered this on Friday, I think. So let's just get rid of that as well. So this is what we have got. We have got the Samsung tab7+5g. So this is the bigger size. So this comes in at just shy of 12. So this is 12.4 inch screen, I believe. And this tablet to buy new is £999, I believe. So this is what we're going to be using. So we're going to use this to monitor a chat. So we are making a big leap here. I am iPhone and iPad, but this is not an iPad. It's not even iOS. This is an Android tablet. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to try and see how well we can get on with Android. Don't do that. So Jesus Christ, I'm hoping effort's fine. Didn't fall too far. So let's have a look at this. So this is a Samsung Tab S7 Plus. So it's the bigger version and it's 5G. So it shows you the bottom of it. So I'm guessing the tablet's sat like this because here's the bottom. There's not much on the side. And on here it is Mystic Bronze 128 gig. Available memory capacity subject to preload software. Blah blah blah. There's not really much on that side. That's like the speakers there, and there's not really much on here. So let's crack into this. So let's just open these tabs here. And let's have a look inside. So it shows an S Pen there, so we'll see what we get. So this is very much iPad-y. It feels so much like an iPad. So this is what we get, the Samsung Tab 7. So that's Samsung there, so we'll leave that to the last. So I'm surprised. S Pen comes included with this tablet. The S Pen comes included with the tablet. So that's some well nice bronze actually. If that's the same colour, that's well nice. So we get the S Pen. So the reason why I'm surprised, so this, you buy the Apple Pencil, like I've got the Apple Pencil as well, it's £120. Comes separate from the iPad. My iPad is a iPad Pro 2018, 1 terabyte variation, and it does not include the iPad Pencil. So let's have a look what else we get. So we've got a charger. So we've got a nice little charger which is USB. So yeah, nice little charger. So it's just USB-A to whatever USB it is. It's this adaptive fast charger as well. Got the cable. That looks like quite a lengthy cable. So we've got the cable which is USB-C. So this is the cable. And what else do we get? We get, so obviously, a pin. Obviously put some code in it if you want to use 5G. And some quick start guides. We're not really going to look too much into them, to be honest. So far presentation is very nice. Like, kind of, I don't know, it's close. I don't know whose presentation is better, Apple's or Samsung's. Let me know in the comments below who you think has a better presentation, Apple or Samsung. So I'm just going to put the few things back in here. I'm going to keep the S Pen out, I'm going to put this to one side. Now, the main attraction, which is the actual tablet itself. So let's figure out how this opens. Oh, I've got no idea how. Oh, okay, maybe it's because it's down here. I think that's just to pull it out, yeah. So the S Pen goes here somewhere. What? Where is it? Let's just figure out where the S Pen goes. So the S Pen sits nicely just there. So this is it's hard because it's a bronze, but if you hit the light a certain way, I don't know if you can see it on camera, it turns to rose gold. So it's very nice. It's a very nice tablet. It is. Wow. Well nice. Now, I'm really able to turn the thing on. So, it's a really nice tablet, as you can see, guys. So you've got USB here, speakers here, Samsung on the back, sound by AKG, whoever they are. It's a 128, got a little sticker here. Speakers at the top. See, don't know how the SIM goes. SIM goes just here. So let's actually turn this on. Wherever the power button is. I think this is the power button. Oh, there we go. So Samsung Galaxy Tab S+5G. So unfortunately, I don't currently have 5G in my area just yet. So it's Samsung. Screen is really nice. Start an Android. So this is going to be a shock. I've not used Android in so long. What the bob? Slide, slide, slide. Oops, so we are English Ireland, English United Kingdom. English United Kingdom, next. Check out some info to get, well, let's just read. So, check out some info to get started. Your data will be, okay, yes, I have read. So we've got to read some more. Choose a Wi-Fi network, skip that, because I don't know my Wi-Fi password. Turn off Wi-Fi. I maybe can't skip it. No idea. No idea what the password is. So, I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm just going to get the password. So, we've got the password. So, we've got the password now. So, we're going to just quickly input all the information we need to. Hopefully that'll connect, hopefully I've inputted it alright. Incorrect password. Okay, no why. Hey, there we go, next. Service provider setup. Alright, it needs to restart. Why does it say your phone needs to restart? This is not a phone. So I like how that goes there. And this has also got a button on it. It's got a little button on it. So we'll have a look. And also what we're going to do is we're going to take photos on this and we'll upload them to a Facebook page. Just some random, we'll just take random photos, different stuff. So it's just restarting now, guys. Starting Android. Don't copy. Just a sec. checking info. Skip. We'll sign into my Google account. I don't even know if I have got a Google account. Accept. We'll sign into it later. Choose yours. Right. So it says choose your search provider. So you've got info.com, never heard of them, Google, heard of, DuckDuckGo, and Privacy Wall. Yeah, kid you not, it's actually called DuckDuckGo, look. I don't know if you can even see that, but it's actually called DuckDuckGo. Never even heard of DuckDuckGo. Just a sec. So protect your... We'll skip that. We'll set. So the protection you can have is Face ID, fingerprint, pattern, PIN, or password. So skip anyway. We'll do it all later. Add in the finishing touches. Please wait. We'll skip that. Sign to Samsung account. Skip. Finish. Just a sec. Wow. So here we go. So this is an Android based tablet. So I'll be using this today because this is just to monitor streams. It's going to be using the same variation I use my current iPad Pro. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a review video after I've used it for a day. So after this whole day tomorrow we'll come back and do a review video about which I prefer. I've already got Netflix installed, Microsoft installed, Google Play Store, Google. Oh, here's how you get to it. So to get your app, just swipe up. So Spotify's on here, Netflix, YouTube, music, camera, gallery, calculator, calendar, clock, settings, Samsung Notes, my Wi-Fi. Oh, my files, not my Wi-Fi, my files. And all of this, the Galaxy Store. And if you take this off, it comes Air Actions, open apps, take pictures, control music and more without touching your screen. You can do some Air Actions by just pressing the pen button once or twice for Air Actions that involve gestures. Hold your pen, your S Pen with the tip facing away from you and press and hold the pen button. Perform the gestures. Okay, try it out. So try the up action. Hold your S Pen with the tip facing away from you. So we're obviously facing away from, so yeah, obviously it's going to have to face towards me. Press and hold the button and then flick. Try again. Great. What? This is free and it does more than what the Apple Pencil does already. Wow. Now try. Try the left and back. Great job, there it is. So it's quite hard for me because I'm doing it as if I'm you. Try the, what? The jumping up, the shake action. Great job. I don't know what that does, but try the clockwise. Perfect. You can now use these gestures to control the apps. You can actually, let's see if we can get this to show you. But you can actually see, I don't know if you can't actually see it, but you can actually see a little, oh you can, just there, that little thing underneath. You can actually see it. So that's it for this video guys. So this is I can't wait to use this tablet, it looks amazing. So we're going to do a proper review. So thank you so much for watching guys. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit that subscribe button, become a trucker yourself. Let me know what you think to this in the comments. Hit that like button, and hit that dislike button. Hit that like button if you liked it, hit that dislike button if you didn't like it. And thanks so much for watching guys. Leave a comment about what you didn't like about this, and what you think to this whole situation, as well, if you'd get one, if you're in that market, or if you think you wouldn't. So thanks so much for watching guys, this is Trucker. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and goodbye for now.